perform various kind of operations such as arithmetic operation, and also we can perform various kind of assignment operation. Let's begin with arithmetic operation. Let's say we want to add two variable and print the result into the console. So how can we achieve this? Variable a is equal to 10, this is the first value. Variable b is equal to 20, we are declaring the second variable. Now let's capture in result a plus b. Here plus is addition operator, we are performing arithmetic operation. Unlike as we use comments in other programming languages, similar way we can also use here comments. All we need is double forward slash and we are ready to use a comment here. So we are performing here arithmetic operation. Okay, now let's print the value into the console. Result. Okay, let's save this, let's run this and see we got 30 here. Okay, now let's say we want to subtract this two values. Let's see the output, let's run the page and see we got here minus 10. Okay friends, and let's see the multiplication value, a into b. See we got here 200. Let's see the division value, let's save this and run this. See we got 0.5. okay, so these are working fine. These are the arithmetic operations we can conduct using JavaScript. Now let's see something different. Okay, now what I want to increment the value of a by 1. How can I achieve this? All I need to do is a is equal to a plus 1. Let's see the value of a. Let's save this and run it. See I got here 11. Let me comment out this. Okay, instead of writing a is equal to a plus 1, I can also write a plus plus. It will give me same result. Okay, let's save this. Now console.log a, run this program. See it is printing 11. Okay, so this kind of double plus sign is known as increment operator. Okay, let me remove this. Suppose my requirement is to decrement this value of a by 1. How can I achieve this? A is equal to a minus 1. Now let's save this and it will print 9 into the console. See I got 9. Okay, instead of this I can also write a minus minus. Okay, let's save this and run this program. See I got 9. Okay, such is also called decrement operator. Okay, now suppose my requirement is to add 20 into the value of a. So how can I achieve this? A is equal to a plus 10, right? Let's print the value. See I got 20. Okay, instead of this I can also write a plus is equal to 10. Okay, what it will do, it will increment the value of a by 10. Okay, see I got 20. Okay, now suppose my requirement is to decrement this value by 10. How can I achieve this? A is equal to a minus 10. Okay, let's save this, run this. See I got 0, right? Instead of this I can also write a minus is equal to 10. What it means? It means decrement the value of a by 10. Okay, so here also I am going to get the same value 0. See, the output is 0. Okay. So in this example we have discussed addition operation, multiplication operation, division operation, okay, and what, subtraction operation, and increment operation, double increment operation, which is called also increment operator, and decrement operator. Okay, then we have discussed about plus is equal to, minus is equal to. Okay, these are important operators using which we can perform various operations in JavaScript. Okay, so I hope you have understood these important operators. In next video tutorial we are going to discuss about if else statement. Okay friends, if you have any questions, comment below. Thank you.